friends, today this is not a tutorial but just some suggestions for your fashion outfit. How can you solve the problem when you have a crochet sweater so nice but so transparent? I have the solution. So you can wear your normal bra, the usual bra you wear every day, and then this elastic band cover, which can solve the problem if your sweater is too transparent. I show you. So you see my underwear bra, and this is the elastic band cover I'm using. I will link you in the information box below where you can buy this kind of chest cover, and I show you again how you can wear it. It's very easy. Very easy and quick to wear. So, that's it. You have the solution now. As you see, I bought several colors of this chest cover, elastic chest cover, so that I can use them according to the color of my sweater. I have to buy also other colors. I think I need a yellow and a blue, and so you see, very useful.